Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add multiple photos on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then hit at that plus sign and select post. Now you can select multiple photos by two different ways. The first way is just hold down on the first photo until these little circles come up at the top right corner of each photo, and now you are able to hit at another photo, so you can check mark up to 10 photos at the same time to add them into one post. Or you can right here tap at this symbol and then just start check marking the photos in that way. Once you have selected enough photos, you can hit on next, then you can add a filter to each particular photo. In that way you can switch between them and apply filters to each individual photo. You can set a different filter, just like that. After that you can hit on next, then you can write a caption for these photos, and then just hit add share to share these photos with your followers. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.